Hi friends, in this video let us have a look into TP-Link Archer MR600 4G Plus dual band gigabit router. I bought this one from Amazon for INR 9,499. There was an additional 10% off for SBI card holders. This is how the box looks like. On this side we have a model number and key features. Here it has compatibility and setup instructions. On this side, we have more details about the router features. The specification and package content details of this router are given here. It comes with 3 years warranty. Now let us open the box. First, we have a router. Let me open the cover. Then we have these detachable antennas. And then we have the power adapter. The output rating mentioned here is 12 volt, 1.5 amperes and 18 watts. We also get nano to micro SIM adapter. Then we have the installation guide. This has information on how to connect, how to set up, etc. Next, we have an RJ45 Ethernet cable. That's all we get in the box. Now let us look into the router. This router comes with two antennas and both are detachable. Let me connect the antennas. Power connector will go here. These are the three dedicated gigabit LAN ports and this is gigabit LAN or WAN port. This is the WPS button and this is for reset. We also get dedicated Wi-Fi on and off switch. Here is the micro SIM card slot. In the back, we have a provision for a wall mount. The default access link is provided here and the default Wi-Fi SSID and password details are given here. Now let me insert the SIM card. I have the nano SIM card, so I need to use the nano to micro SIM adapter. I was not comfortable with the bundled adapter in the box, so I used the other SIM card adapter. Next, connect the power cable to the router. Now power on the router. Once the router is fully on, using the default SSID and password, you can connect your device to the router through Wi-Fi. You can also connect to the laptop using the LAN cable. For using the internet using a SIM card, it is a plug and play. So you can directly start using the internet without making any changes to the settings. For using a DSL connection or for customizing the default settings such as password, SSID, etc., you can log into the URL provided here. Or you can use the TP-Link Tether app. You can install the app from the Play Store for Android phones and or App Store for iPhones. Here you will find the information on the signal strength, internet connectivity and other information. Now let me quickly do the speed test on Airtel SIM card. This is the speed I got in this area. That's it for this video on unboxing and overview of the TP-Link Archer MR600 4G Plus router. Please hit the like button if you find this video useful. If you have any questions regarding this router, please write in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the notification as soon as I upload new videos.